Love it because the sandwich is fresh bread, good quality meat that we bake in the oven roast. The turkey, the smoked turkey, and the real turkey, not like process or something. And the butcher making for us. And ham sandwiches European, not too much salt, not too much water inside. And from baking, the carrot cake, date squares. This is what the people love it. The cakes. People, you know, everybody coming for something different. The choice.
Hi, it's David Waters of the Dufferin County Real Estate Guide, and today is day 109 of the 365 things to do in Orangeville and Dufferin County. Now today I am profiling Jelly's Bakery, and they're located at 120 Main Street East in Shelburne. And you know, one of the amazing things about this bakery is the way the community gets together, and you know, you can meet in this amazing bakery. You can come in for sandwiches, soups, smoothies, wraps, salads. You can get your coffee, you can get a latte, you get a lot of local teas as well. And you know, you can pick up your bread in the same place. A lot of amazing baked goods that they sell here as well. And a lot of it's baked on site. All the sandwiches are fresh. It's a really, really great place to come. And they've been here for about 10 years now, come next month actually. So, you know, I encourage you, if you're up in Shelburne, check out Jelly's Bakery and, you know, say hi to the staff. They're a great bunch of people, so come take a look.